Githagathako kiria kigomire kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IBC gitiguthiraga giatira mieri 10 thutha wa kamiti ino gutabania ithurano igiri. Muikari giti wa kamiti ino Wafula Chebukati na Arunake Abdi Gulie na Mulu Mboya aria matigarire kamiti ino thutha wa Aruna kuyeheria magikinya mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie watho na kihoto. Kuria Chebukati umana ihinda iritu gutariria gitumi kia murugamiri munene Ezra Chiroba kuhe rutha rwa kihinya na kana mitaratara ya kiwatho ni arumirirwo.
There are certain steps you are required to have taken: first warning, second warning, and so on. Have a disciplinary committee, call him before the committee. Did you follow your HR manual? Because if we do not follow due process in such simple disciplinary actions within yourselves, how do we trust you to follow the law when you're conducting a general election?
We made a decision to suspend the CEO based on the findings of the preliminary audit.
When we received the report, it confirmed our fears. That is why the commission sat and agreed to suspend the CEO purely for accountability.
Maafitha ya atatu magikora haceke mukurigana na Chebukati we arumire riathani ria igoti no ti mukana amona matiuma na mukana uyu mbere ya kamiti ino ya bunge.
System for these new committees.
Ameba kamiti ino makimukirira mukurigana na Chebukati akoretwo agika maundu kiudutho kamiti-ini ino.
This is not your private company. This is a government institution which has rules and regulations that regulates every step that you take as the chairman of the commission.
I'm working as chairman and CEO, and that is, there's nothing further from the truth. I'm doing my job as chairman. The commission appointed an acting CEO in the name of Marjan, who is doing the duties of the CEO.
Na kuona makamishona Consolatan kadhaa Rosemary Nakombe, Paul Kurgat na Margaret Mwachanya ni matigire wira kiuria gia kana kamiti ino ni irahinyia motungata mothe gitiuma kuraya na ameba kamiti ino. Chebukati akiuga kiwatho kamiti ino ifatie gukorwo na maafitha atatu no uguo gekinyira gutiri undu muhitanu.
That vacancy being created by such absence or resignation cannot make the commission activities be ineffective. The commission is in existence as long as they have the minimum quorum of 3.
Bere-ini ya IBC rakoragwo na kamiti mugwanja no kwa ndagika ino cituranĩirwo nginyagia 4 kuria Chebukati ugite o kamiti rugamirwo ni makomishona eri undu uyu kirakaria ameba kamiti ino ya bunge amuguo ni kuga nio matuaga mawatho mategukarario no kana o.
Wouldn't it just be in good faith that the commissioners just resign and give Kenyans the opportunity to form a new commission in good time?
The resignations of individuals who voluntarily resigned on their own cannot be a reason to tell us who are not in any way responsible for any acts of either breaking laws or whatever to be asked to leave office.
Chebukati ni athitwo agatwara mukana wa igoti uria wathanire Chiroba rugamie wira kwa ihinda wake kiumia turorete riri kamiti ino ya bunge tanyitwo guthie kigomano-ini kia ihinda kuiguthaniria itua ria muthia ria kana IBC na uhoti wa gutabania githurano kingi.
Before the new committees came.
Egia ya muikari giti wa kamiti ya ithurano mihaka IBC Wafula Chebukati kuga makomishoners aria mariho mari na uhoti wa kinyanĩria mabataro ma kamiti ino. Kamiti ya bunge igie watho na kihoto ni reganite na murugamo uyu riri matanyitwo kurekereria riboti yao ya muthia mweri-ini uyu. Kiribotira Kameme TV kuma gĩikaro-inĩ kia bunge, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.